Umongameli Ramaphosa uphinde wamemelela abasebenzi ukuba babumbane ngelokufaka uxinzelelo kwinkampani ezivelisa amachiza eCovid-19 ukuba ziwakhuphe lamachiza kwangethuba kumazwe ongathathi ntweni.
Workers of the world must unite to compel developed countries and these large pharmaceutical companies to display more social solidarity in addressing this pandemic. We call on COSATU and the rest of the mass democratic movement to intensify their efforts to join the progressive forces in our country and throughout the world, as COSATU has already done.
Iqela le-DA nalo liyavuma ukuba lelizwe alikhuselekanga de abasebenzi abalwa lobhubhane kwizibhedlele zeli bagonyelwe le ntsholongwane.
For us, commemorating this particular Workers' Day means putting a particular spotlight on government's shoddy and very much criminally slow rollout of the vaccine of COVID-19.
Ngelixa i-EFF ithi imeko yabasebenzi kweli lizwe imbi kakhulu ingakumbi phantsi kwalo rhulumente uphetheyo ngoku.
The trade union movement of South Africa has abandoned the struggle of workers under the administration of Cyril Ramaphosa and the ANC. We have seen mass retrenchments, an increase in exploitative labor practice.
I-IFP kunye ne-FF Plus bemelele ukuba abasebenzi beli ibe ngabo bafumana imisebenzi kuqala.
The IFP stands opposed to the recently arrived Cuban engineers, while South Africa have more than 120 engineers who can take up this job.
In the midst of one of the greatest unemployment crises in South African history, the government opts to employ Cuban engineers while we have perfectly eligible engineers in our own country to fill these posts.
Xhalabile imeko yabasebenzi kweli.
It's unfortunate that the majority of workers in South Africa are still working under extreme and harsh conditions. They earn mere slavery wages while working in shocking conditions.
We are calling for the removal of all corrupt leaders, the recovering of the embezzled funds, and for law enforcement to decisively deal with the corrupt and bring to an end the reign of terror which has led to job losses and the exploitation of workers.
Workers are losing their jobs in their thousands. Retrenchments is the order of the day. Workers are having the power in their hands to change things in this country.
On Workers' Day, we lament the state of our economy, stripped bare by looting, maladministration, and now the COVID pandemic, and the fact that millions of people don't have jobs.
I-ACDP ithathe ithuba lokubulela bonke abasebenzi abasebenza kwizibhedlele zeli nabalwa idabi le-COVID-19.
We would particularly like to thank all the healthcare workers and doctors who are at the front line of fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. We are deeply grateful for all your sacrifices and hard work and commitment.
Kusenjalo i-UDM ithi yazibophelela kumzabalazo wabasebenzi kweli lizwe.